Good evening. Today is Monday, November 20, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sword 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 20, 2023, Monday. Here are the SL Sword 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for Monday, November 20, 2023. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of Monday, November 20, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.